Thanks so much, coaching staff. They have done a good job because we sat down, we raised the strategy, how we are going to play Mbarara University, because we came when you know that university is not easy, Mbarara University is not easy, but I want to thank the players who have implemented our strategy.